Now here the question is, a signal which can be green or red with probability 4 by 5 and 1 by 5 is received by station A and then transmitted to station B. The probability that each station receiving the signal correctly is 3 by 4. If the signal received at station B was green, find the probability that original signal was also green. Now this signal, it can be either green or red. Now it is green with the probability 4 by 5 and it is red with the probability 1 by 5. Now this green signal, it can be received at station A as either green or red. In the same way, this red signal also can be received as either red or green. Now it will be received green if it received the signal correctly. So it will be this 3 by 4 and here will be this 1 by 4 and red as red again is 3 by 4 and red as green as 1 by 4. Now it says at station B the signal received is green. So at B it will be green if it is received correctly. So it will be this 3 by 4. Now red will be received as green if it is 1 by 4. Now red as green, this is 1 by 4 and green as green, it will be simply 3 by 4. That is given that the signal received at station B is green. We need to find this probability that original signal was green. So we have to take this case in the numerator and all of the cases in the denominator, and that's how we'll get this probability. So this probability will be 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 divided by 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 1 by 4 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 3 by 4 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. Now all these denominators, they'll get cancelled. So this probability will be 36 plus 4 divided by 36 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. Now this is 40 divided by 46, which is 20 by 23, and that's your option C.